Imagine you're struggling to make ends meet. Bills are piling up, and you just can't seem to get ahead. You've tried various budgeting apps, but none seem to work. Then you hear about PocketGuard. Is it a miracle worker? Or just another budgeting app that promises more than it delivers? Today, we're diving into the question, does PocketGuard cost money? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what PocketGuard is. It's a personal finance app designed to help you track your spending, set budgets, and save money. But is it worth the investment? Or is it just another free app with limited features? To answer this question, we need to explore the different pricing models PocketGuard offers. Are there any hidden fees or recurring charges? Or is it completely free to use? Free versus premium. PocketGuard does offer a free version. This version allows you to track your spending, set budgets, and receive notifications when you're close to overspending. While it's a good starting point, it's limited in its features. If you're looking for more advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to the premium version. This version offers features like bill tracking, investment tracking, and personalized financial advice. But is the premium version worth the cost? Cost analysis. Let's break down the costs associated with PocketGuard. The premium version is available as a monthly or annual subscription. While the exact prices may vary, you can expect to pay a monthly fee for access to all the premium features. It's important to note that PocketGuard doesn't have any hidden fees or recurring charges. What you see is what you get. So, if you're happy with the features offered in the premium version, you can subscribe without worrying about any additional costs. Is PocketGuard worth it? Now that we know the costs, let's evaluate whether PocketGuard is worth the investment. If you're serious about improving your financial situation, the premium version offers a range of features that can help you achieve your goals. Here are some factors to consider when deciding whether to upgrade to the premium version. Your financial goals. If you're trying to save money for a big purchase or pay off debt, the premium version can provide valuable tools to help you stay on track. Your level of financial literacy. If you're new to personal finance, the premium version can offer personalized advice and guidance. Your budget. If you're on a tight budget, the free version may be sufficient for your needs. So, does PocketGuard cost money? Yes, but it offers a free version with basic features. If you're looking for more advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to the premium version. Whether or not the premium version is worth the cost depends on your individual needs and financial goals. Ultimately, the decision of whether to pay for PocketGuard is up to you. If you're struggling to manage your finances and you're looking for a tool to help you get on track, PocketGuard may be a worthwhile investment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.